All right, we're getting set to go here. Time for a little modified truck. We got Jorn Norman starting on pole, Martin Bayer in the 2, Mika Vidmeyer in the 3, Max Dolce in the 4, William Venable in the 5, Brock Killick in the 6, Sophie Mueller in the 7, Stefan Seidler in the 8, Jens Becker in the 9, Christian Wokening in the 10, and Semi Pablos round out your field. We are set to go here in A main number 1. Our drivers are ready. Corner marshals are ready. Good luck, drivers. We're going racing on the sound of the tone. And here we go, A main number 1 modified truck. Jorn Neumann starting on pole with Martin Bayer right behind. Really good start here at the start. It is Neumann. He's the master at that carpet truck. Bayer is in second, followed by Mika Vidmeyer in the all-orange. Then it's the green machine of Max behind him. All right, across start finish line, there you go. It is Jorn Brock in the bright yellow-orange. Martin right behind him in the orange. Mika by Max, Barack, Sophie, Stefan, Jan, Senny, Christian, and William. Start finish line. We got 1 minute down, 4 to go. Top 3 trying to break away.
4 minutes
Jorn,
to
Martin,
drive.
Max in the green machine, followed by Killick in the all blue. Sophie right behind them. Good battle here between Bayer and Mika. Into the backside, double leg goes the fight for second. Oh, Bayer up on 2 wheels, Mika to the inside. Mika now to the 2. Down the straight, there you go. Jorn out front. See if Mika's got something to reel in Neumann. Looking like it's going to be a good lap for Mika here. Oh yeah, 18.3, that's his hot lap. But Jorn 2/10 quicker that time by. Jorn throwing down his hot lap. We got 2 down, 3 to go. 4-wheel drive stock buggies up next. Here comes Jorn across the start finish line. 18.4, Mika with 18.7. They'll run down here with 2:45 to go. Jorn, Mika, Martin, your top 3. Max 4, Barack 5, Sophie 6, Stefan 7, Jens, Christian, Senny, and William. Halfway there, guys. We're 2.5 down, 2.5 to go. Jorn, year leader. His lead, 2.2 seconds. Oh, up on 2 wheels goes Mika in the all-orange. Bayer still behind them, followed by Max. Our leader across the start finish line through the S-Work sweeper. Marshall, watch Max.
2 minutes
Martin
to
going
drive.
upside down. Max going to go by for the 3 spot. 3 down, 2 to go. Got Jorn out front, driving the yellow and red number 1. Mika second. 3rd spot, Max, Martin, and Barack round out your top 5. Our leaders now coming up, thank you. It's Jorn, Mika, Max, Martin, and Sophie. Mika is in second in the all-orange. Right now, 3.2 seconds back. All right, they're coming down the straightaway right now. It's Jorn, 1 minute to go. Second spot, there's Mika. 3rd is Max, Martin, Sophie, and Stefan, Senny. That's the battle there. William, Jens, and Christian. 45 seconds to go. Max and Martin continue to
5
battle here. The
seconds to
X-Ray boys
drive.
having a throwdown. Our leader's coming up here on the white truck in the back. Watch it, watch it. 20 seconds to go. Good job. Green truck, leaders on the front further are going to be coming up here on Stefan. 2 truck, thank you, Stefan. All right, Max and Martin get through traffic. They race this one out. It's a race to the finish line. 5 seconds to go. Martin trying to go big over the top. Time has finished. Race to the finish line. Finish the lap you're on. As he comes around. Watching in the big jump. Watch at the end of the straightaway, guys. Watch it, caution. And that's time. Your Norman taking the win. Mika goes second, Max 3, followed by Martin, Sophie, Stefan, Senny, Williams, Kristen Yang.